my gosh, can you believe it? The solar flux index is a 77. Wow. It hasn't been that high in months. So turn on those shortwave radios and see what you can receive. I'm going to try to do a show tonight when band conditions are best in my area, is basically after 6 o'clock, and see what I can pick up. So could this be the end of the low of the cycle, the 11-year cycle? Have we finally hit bottom? And there's actually some sunspots up there? Well, check it out. And I have gotten reports for several people that they've been receiving shortwave pretty good this week. So check it out. Don't miss this opportunity. Solar Flux 77. Amazing. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.